Okay, drivers behind the line. We'll start this match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Alrighty, and we're on to qualification match number 68 over on the technology field. Looks like over in the blue alliance, 4976 already engaged in the blue alliance's charge station, and they have 2 cones, 1 cube scored. Over the red alliance, looks like a bit of movement with some teams leaving the community. And now we're into the teleoperated period. Let's see what these robots can do. 6140 from the blue alliance immediately raced over their substation. Looks like they're trying to collect a cube from their cube player, and they race back to their community to find a place to score that cube. Over in the red alliance, looks like 771 is trying to line up at their substation as well to pick up a good game piece to bring back to the red alliance community. In the middle of the field, looks like 4976 grabs a cone, accidentally pushes 771 over into their community. Whoop. And 4976 now trying up to place that cone they've collected. Looks like they are doing that. They've completed a link for the blue alliance. Back over in the red alliance, looks like 4992 trying to leave their community to try to grab another cube somewhere around the field. Back to the blue alliance, 4976 grabs a cube, bringing it back over to the blue alliance's community, trying to line up to score that somewhere over in the blue alliance's grid. Looks like they chose the bottom row of the blue alliance's grid. Back on the red alliance, 4992 lining up to score the cube, and they scored in the bottom row of the red alliance's grid. 8349 seems like they're going to join them, grabbing another cube as well, finding a place to line up and score that cube over on the red alliance's grid. Back to the blue alliance. Looks like 6140 is back at the blue alliance's substation, trying to line up to grab another cube to bring back to their community. And their alliance partner 4976 is joining them with a cube as well. Looks like there's a bit of traffic trying to get in the blue alliance community. Only 2 entrances, makes it a little hard sometimes. And we're in the end game. Looks like 4992 trying to go onto the red alliance's charge station maybe. Back in the blue alliance, 6140 and 4976 trying to line up on their blue alliance charge station, trying to get it engaged. It's going back and forth. And it looks like the 2 robots on the red alliance have it engaged. Over back in the blue alliance, we have 7 seconds left. Looks like 4992 is engaging by themselves with 3 seconds left in the match. 8349 racing back to their community, but not quite in time. We'll have your results for that match in just a moment. And the scores are in. Let's take a look at that last match. And that match goes to the blue alliance with a score of 124 to 55. The blue alliance walking away with 3 ranking points. Looks like 4976 is holding their 4th place strong along with all of their alliance partners. Now back over to you on